Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll share with you guys a simple home remedy which you can make at home itself. I can understand now it's lockdown, so that we can't get really outside to the parlors to get the facials done, to get the cleanups done. But I have a simple remedy for you guys which can give you that mild and subtle glow, and which will not exaggerate things on your face. Like, it will give you a glowing face. At the same time, it will reduce the dullness on your face. So the remedy is very simple. It's just for rupees 47. Yeah, you heard me right guys, it's just for 47. It basically involves 3 ingredients. I tell you why I quoted it for 47 rupees. So the first ingredient which we are using for this remedy is coffee. Like, I'm using the coffee from Brew. It's just for rupees 2. So yeah, the first ingredient is this, and this is the main key ingredient. The second ingredient which we are using for this home remedy will be Dabur Gulabari Rose Water, and yeah, this is the second ingredient. I'll explain the benefits to you, how each ingredient is like beneficial for your skin. The next ingredient which we are using over here, I forgot to tell you this price. It's just for 45 rupees. So the main ingredients are these two which will cost you. So it will be this is of rupees 2 and this is for rupees 45. So in total it's just for rupees 47. So I quoted this remedy for 47 rupees. And the third and most important ingredient is milk. And milk you can easily get in your kitchen, so I didn't quote the price of milk because it's readily available in your kitchen. So these are the three ingredients which we will be using in today's remedy. So I'll tell you the benefits of each and every like ingredient. So the first ingredient which we are using is like coffee. So the coffee is having good benefits, as you can Google it also. It has very good benefits. Like, first benefit is it's anti-inflammatory, as in we are using turmeric to heal our wounds and everything. So our skin might also get irritated. So in order to limit the inflammation, we can use we can use coffee. So it acts as a good anti-inflammatory substance. Second and most important benefit of coffee is that it is a good antioxidant. So it will fight free radicals on your face. It will reduce the sebum secretion. You might be aware of sebum. Sometimes we get like small bumps on our skin which are having some kind of pus like white substance. So they are like temporary pimples, you can say. So this coffee will help to get rid of them as well. And the most important benefit of it is it will reduce the hyperpigmentation on your face. So these are the three most important benefit of coffee. And one more thing I have noticed with coffee is that it just brightens my face instantly. Like, it has good brightening agents as well. So you can use coffee in your home remedies. It's a good product, I can say. So the next thing which is the rose water. So the benefit of rose water is very clear. Like, we are using it for ages, so I don't have to tell you particularly, but I would like to share you one benefit is it will give you a glowing skin, and it will hydrate your skin from within, because we are using rose water. So like, it will hydrate your skin instantly once you mix it with coffee. And the other benefit, as I told you, is it will give you a glow from within. It is also having anti-aging properties, so it is a good ingredient overall. And one more thing I would like to add is it's just for 45 rupees, and it will not get over easily. Like, doing this remedy, you can again reuse it, while you can just pat it on your skin. You can apply it at night as well. So this is a good thing to have in just 45 rupees, you guys. So yeah, the third ingredient which I told you is milk. So you all know that milk nourishes our skin, it moisturizes our skin, then it reduces the wrinkles on our skin. So this is the most important thing which milk will act in this remedy, milk will do in this remedy. And the most important thing is like it is having lactic acid. We all know it, like we are studying from 8th standard that milk is having lactic acid into it, and lactic acid is good for your skin. Like it literally moisturizes your skin really very well. No ingredient can beat milk in terms of moisturization. So yeah, these three ingredients will combine together. One thing I would like to tell you guys is that while we are applying some face mask or some face scrubs, we need to ensure that our skin is like really very clean. So for that you can use any face wash. I am having this face wash with me, it's from Simple. So I'll be first cleansing my face with this face wash. So I'll show you guys how I do it. I'll just take some amount of water, just pat it on my skin to make it like wet little bit. And I'm going to take very less amount like of face wash, this much. When I cleanse my face really very well with this. Okay, so I need to wash my face. I'll be right back. So guys, I have washed my face. I'm showing you this piping wala section because you need to know that your skin is like very sensitive. The towel which you are using must be very soft and you have to just dab it on your face like so. You don't have to like rub the towel. It will just strip off the natural moisture on your face. So we don't want that. So we are being very gentle on our skin. So I'm just pat drying my face, nothing fancy. Okay, so moving on to the remedy, you will just require one like clean katori with you. Okay, so I'll just put all the coffee in this katori. So I put it into this bowl which is very clean, and then I am putting on 4 to 5 drops of rose water into it like so. Okay, and I'll just put initially only 1 spoon of milk because we want a thick consistency, not too runny. And I'm just mixing all the ingredients really very well. Okay. once we get this kind of consistency, not too thick, not too runny, it's like in between, so I'll move forward and apply it on my face. I know it's kind of looking funny, don't laugh your eyes. Oh, and one more benefit I forgot to tell you guys, like it has reduced my blemishes to a certain extent, and I'm just loving applying the coffee on my face. Why is this all dripping? Don't forget your neck as well. You have to apply it on your neck as well. Don't apply much here because it will then not be worth it. I'm looking like a monkey. We'll see the after results. Don't laugh now, okay? Okay. I know it's looking funny on camera, but that's how the mask looks, right? Don't laugh at me. You guys will also apply this. Okay. So I think I have applied it like really nicely, like all over my face. So I'll just wait for 10 minutes to like get the benefits out of it, and we'll see you guys after 10 minutes. I have just washed my face and I'm feeling like very relaxing and very fresh, and no need of that parlor stuff. I have just done a good job, I guess. Yeah, and I am trying this remedy for years now, and it's been working for me really very well. And why not to share with you guys? So I just sat down and filmed this video, and that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. आणि मी एक मराठी मुलगी आहे, तर पुढचं मराठीमध्ये बोलते. मला माहिती आहे खूप जण व्हिडिओ बघतायत पण त्यांनी सबस्क्राईब नाही केलं, तर मी तुम्हाला विनंती करेन की प्लीज तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब करा. आणि ॲक्च्युली आज मी एक ब्लॉग करणार होते पण ते पॉसिबल नाही झालं ड्यू टू सम रेन इश्यूज. लाईक वी आर फेसिंग रेन इश्यूज इन म्हणजे पाऊस जरा जास्त पडतो आहे मुंबईमध्ये, तर त्याच्यामुळे टुडे आय कांट रिली व्लॉग. म्हणून मी आता स्किन केअर करणारच होते. माझं एक मी रुटीन करतेच संडेला, तर मी विचार केला की का नाही बसून करायचं व्हिडिओ शूट. तर आणि म्हणजे प्लीज इग्नोर करा, मी अजून अंघोळ नाही केली आहे. संडे आहे तर मी माझा टाईम घेते प्रत्येक गोष्टीसाठी. जस्ट आय हॅव अप्लाइड सम हेअर ऑइल. मी केसांना जरा तेल लावलेलं आहे माझ्या. तर हे सगळं आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये मला तुम्हाला दाखवायचं होतं की मी संडेला माझं स्किन पॅम्परिंग कसं करते. तर तुम्हाला जर असे अजून व्हिडिओ बघायचे असतील तर प्लीज मला सांगा. जर माझे फ्रेंड्स असाल तर प्लीज मला सजेस्ट करा की तुम्हाला कोणत्या प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ आवडतील. जर तुम्ही अननोन आहात, इफ यू आर वॉचिंग मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाईम, तर तुम्ही कमेंट करू शकता खाली कमेंट सेक्शनमध्ये. मला खूप आवडेल म्हणजे तुम्हाला जे आवडेल त्याच्यावर व्हिडिओज बनवायला. अँड या हा व्हिडिओ मी इथेच कन्क्लूड करते. आय नो आय एम ब्लॅमरिंग अ रॉट, बट please ignore. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for being so patient with me. Like I am a chatterbox literally. Okay, so guys, bye bye. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. So that being said, this is your host Gautami signing off for the day, guys. Love you. Bye bye.